Hello from the mountains. I made it out of the city and the traffic is very interesting there. Up here it's really beautiful. The air is clean, well, cleaner, and it's just such a reprieve. Really nice to be breathing fresh air. The sun sets just over these mountains, and I've rented a little house here for a week to do a meditation retreat for myself. So it's a really beautiful spot. I'll give you a little bit of the panorama. It's nestled amongst a bunch of mountains, and you can see where the sun sets there. It rises just over here, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but if you look off into the distance here, I was told that the snow peaks in the back there and over there there's some as well. Those are part of the Everest mountains and range, from what I was told. So it's a really perfect spot for training. Here's where I've been practicing most of the day, and it's beautiful. One of the really great things about retreats and diving in with more time, less distractions. I'm checking my phone for messages once a day. Other than that, it's on airplane mode. Benefits of this are that you get this exponential growth because you're not taking all these breaks to distract yourself from what you're doing. And it's a real joy. Now in this area, I've been told there's some tigers around because the woods are pretty dense over here, and off in the distance over here, it's also pretty dense. So there's some tigers around, but small tigers. And they're maybe 100 kilos from what I've been told. I haven't seen any yet, but that would be a lot of fun. I have another 5 nights here. I've been here 2 nights, and I'm looking forward to going deeper with the exploration. One of the really important things I'm exploring is what to use as a meditation object, and being somewhat transient in the focus of a meditation object. So typically we'll take a meditation object and we'll hold it, we'll release into it, and we find some connection with it. Now, the point of an object of meditation is that whenever your mind wanders to something else, you return the attention, the focus to that object, because the mind, the attention, has weight to it. And if we keep that attention on one point long enough, it creates what feels to me like a gravitational pull, like the sun has so much density and mass that it pulls everything around it. It creates a gravitational pull, and the stability of the mind can have the same type of result, or the same type of effect. And this is something to explore. Now, I've also been looking at using a continuum of release, or a continuum of mergence with the object. So instead of focusing on the object until we match up, kind of vibrate on the same plane and merge together, instead of the object being the object of meditation, the process of merging is the object of meditation. So this continuum of unification with the energy that I'm working with. And this requires a different type of mindset, because when you're locking onto one thing, everything will form around that one aspect of the object. And sometimes the shape that we find mentally, astrally, vitally, physically, through the tissue can be a little bit deleterious. And so if I'm focusing on the continuum of unification with the energy, and that is the focus, that is the object, it allows for shift and change to occur in the various bodies, which allows for a more harmonized and fully integrated relationship with that energy I'm working with. All right, hope you enjoyed this. It's a really beautiful view, and I'm looking forward to diving into a bunch more practice here. All right, take care. Bye.